Oh, hello again. So I've decided to have a go at fixing this oil pressure sensor. So I'm not sure if it's partly the instrument cluster. So I've decided to take it out. Okay, I got a bit carried away, alright? So the back of it looks okay to me. But let me show you, let me turn the camera over. Some of these look a bit dirty. Bottom there. Yeah, I can't see anything that's sort of a problem. But let's have a look. So I'm going to clean these with some electrical cleaner and the other plug there, and go from there really. So yeah, I might just check some of this as well. So I don't like that at all, to be honest. It looks a bit rubbish, doesn't it? So yeah. So I had a cold like 2 weeks ago, and I went to the doctor's Thursday morning because I woke up with a massive pain in the side of my head. Turns out I've got the worst ear infection going, one of them. I'm surprised, the doctor was surprised I wasn't hospitalised with it. So I'm actually on antibiotics at the minute, which is a bit annoying because I can't have a beer. But well, I don't think you can. I don't know. I don't want to risk it either. So yeah, like I say, we're just trying to get now this car done while I'm off, if you know what I mean. So yeah, hopefully this will fix it. Yeah. So let's see. So I've put the instrument cluster back in, and now we're going to fire it up just to see if cleaning the terminals and that has worked. This is a historic moment right now. So let's see. So I started the car up, no difference, yeah, still nothing, it's not even moving, yeah. So I've been researching on the internet, and I think it is my oil pressure sender, not the switch, because thinking about it, the switch would just turn it on if the oil was low, would it? Don't know, but I think it must be the sender unit, yeah. So let me just flip the camera over, hang on. So we've got, I'm on David Manner's website here, okay? So we've got a genuine part for 57. We've got some kind of naff copy for 20. Or we've got an OE part for, I think, £41.29. Now, I think personally you're better off with the genuine part. But it's really expensive, look at that. That's without postage on it, okay? So I'm tempted to put the OE part on because it is just a sender unit at the end of the day. It's not anything exciting, let's be honest. It's not like a brakes or anything like that. But then I'm a bit tempted with the genuine part, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to order just yet. But I'm going to take a punt, and this is what I think is the problem. Yeah? For the next video will be me fitting with this part here, okay? Now I'm taking a bit of a punt at this because I have no idea. No idea, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's give it a go. All right. So I will see you all next time, very soon. In fact, hopefully in the next few days I get this. That is the weekend, so maybe Tuesday I might get it. So we'll see how we get on. So until next time, catch you later.